Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how to make cucumber salad. And this is Asian style. I think mainly Thai style, Cambodian style, or Lao style. But it is a Asian cucumber salad. And I'll show you guys how to do it. And here I have here are cucumbers, tomatoes, garlic, sugar, fish sauce, and some Thai chili pepper. Okay, let's get started. And let's not forget about the lime or the lemon. Whatever you have in your house, you can use, but I like lime. This recipe requires a lot of lime. You can use one whole lime or a third or a 3/4, however you like and how sour you like the salad, but for me, I like a lot of lime. Let's get started with the cucumber. I'll just cut the ends off. And you could slice this however you like. Just make it julienne style. Now let's go for the tomatoes. I'll just cut into small bite size. I always like to cut this part off. We're gonna use a mortar and pestle, so we don't need to do anything with this. I'm just gonna smash it and then cut this part off for the chili pepper. Okay, let's get started, guys. Let's start the pounding process. Here's the mortar. What I'll do first is I'll pound the garlic. Until it's like nicely smashed. And now we could also add in our pepper. I'll go with one first. Let's go with our cucumber. Let's put it all in, since we're gonna use it all. And also add in our tomatoes. Now I'm just gonna use the pestle and just smash it so the cucumbers and the tomatoes will blend in. Okay, now let's add in our fish sauce. I'll use about 1 tablespoon of fish sauce about. And then we could add in our lime or lemon. If you have lemon, use lemon. You have lime, use lime. I prefer lime. And let's not forget about our sugar. And this is about half a teaspoon or a teaspoon, and just how you like it. Let's taste it. It needs a little bit more fish sauce. Let's try it again. Much better. Let's plate it, guys. There you go, guys. Our cucumber salad with tomatoes and lime or lemon is done. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below. I will see you in my next video. And this is also really good with, you know, chicken, beef, pork, fish, and rice. Oh my god, it's gonna be so good with these combo. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you.